Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're continuing our series of Monday Mayhem with the Sweet Thoughts, Memories, and More card pack and cards and envelopes. I don't have them to show you because I've cut up everything. I don't have any left. So before we get started on our project, we're going to go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. So we have our February Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until the 10th of February to subscribe to get this particular kit that makes 9 projects and comes with an early espresso stamping spot. Has an add-on available of Love of Spring dies those dies do coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. You do have to be a subscriber to get these dies, okay? There's a link in the description box below for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with all retired Stampin' Up products. Some are new, some are used. It's about $200 plus or minus worth of products in each box. I'm asking $25 for each box. That shipping is included in that price. I can only ship in the USA. I know this says $30 because starting February 1st, the price will go up to $30 because shipping rates have gone up, okay? But for right now, during January, it's still $25. Email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested. Lastly, we have our January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And speaking of freebies, this is the month of January and month of February. We have our celebration going on. With the purchase of $50 or more, you earn free product out of the celebration brochure, okay? So don't forget to look at that as well. So let's get started on our project. We have a couple of very simple projects to do. I don't think I'm doing any stamping on these projects. So we have some Memories and More pieces from the envelope, from the card that comes in Memories and More, and some of the sticker sheets, okay? So we're going to, okay, good. I labeled this. This is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. We need some glue, the multi-purpose liquid glue. Did I show you guys this? This is from the Country Hive. So cute. It holds our glue. So cute for Valentine's Day, right? I had one for Halloween that was a little pumpkin. So I'm hoping like maybe for Easter she might come out with an egg or something. I don't know. They're just so cute. So we're just going to glue this onto some basic white that looks like it's an 1/8 inch bigger than a pretty peacock. Okay, then I have the strip here. This looks about 3/4 of an inch and an 1/8 inch smaller than the pretty peacock layer. I'm not quite sure. Come on. I'm just gonna put this about right here. Oh no, I forgot it's, oh no. I'll have to get this up with my adhesive remover once it dries. Okay. Then we're gonna put, this is a piece of Calypso Coral that's 3 3/4 by 1 5/8. And we're gonna put that right up against this. Like that. Then we have our piece of the envelope that is 1 7/8 by 3 1/2. And we're gonna just put this like that. Trying to make the border even on these 3 sides. Oh, something looks a little crooked. Oh well. You guys know me. I will lay something down crooked in a minute. Okay, let's put this for our sentiment. And we're going to go all the way up to the pretty peacock. Do I want it right there? Oh, yeah. Guess I do now because I've gotten glue on it. Okay, and then we're going to put this to the base of our card. The card bases for the Memories and More cards and envelopes are 6.5 by 4.5. The card bases are 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. The envelopes are 6.5 by 4.5. So we're just gonna put this right in the middle, like that. Let me show you an envelope. So this is where I got the this little paper from. I cut up the envelope. But if you don't want to cut up any of your envelope, there is 2 cards in the pack that look just like this, okay? So we're gonna get a sticker to do our sentiment, and it's gonna say, "Love you to pieces." And we're gonna stick that right on here like this. And we're gonna get some sequins from the adhesive back sequins trio to finish off our card. So let's go ahead and put some on. I'll get a small one. I'll put it right there and call this card done. Okay, so that's one card out the way. Let's move on to our next one. This one is going to be very simple. So this is a Memories and More card, 4 by 6. So let's go ahead and put this onto the base of our card. So these cards come 4 by 6, and you can be done decorating. If you want, add some stickers, but I have cut a 3 by 4 card down. This is 2.5 by 3. Then I have a piece of crushed curry that's 3/4 by 3 3/4. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna glue it down about right here, like that. I want to take this. Oh, I probably should have popped this up and put that right there. Is this straight? So it says, "You are nothing short of amazing. You can do hard things." I think that is so cute. Okay, so we're going to use some ombre matte dots to decorate this. So we have these Calypso Coral. Just put a few around and about. Just like that. And that card is done. Isn't that cute? I should have used my bone folder. So let me show you a couple of cards that I done ahead of time. So we have this one here that uses 3 Memories and More cards. So I tore the edge of one and sponged it with some crushed curry. Sponged some Calypso Coral on this. This was cut down from a Memories and More card. This is a Memories and More card back here that I just added a sticker and some of the brushed brass butterflies. Black and white ribbon, the gingham ribbon, and this is the back of this card, I do believe, just to add some interest at the bottom there. Okay. Then this is one of our card bases cut down to 5.5 by 4 1/4. This UR is from here. I just cut it down from the other because I get 2 cards of each one. So I cut the UR from the top of that to put on here. This is the, what is the name of that? Decorative Circle Punch, and I just made it a little scallop. I embossed this pecan pie with the stripes and splatter embossing and folders. And this is one of the Memories and More that you've been seeing on a lot of my cards because I cut them in strips to get each one to be a separate sentiment. And I decorated it with some of the sequins trio. And that's the inside. Thought that was really cute. Then here's another that is super cute. You're Too Kind. I think this, I got this from the Quiet Meadow stamp set, I believe. I know this is from the Meadow Dies, this little black butterfly. And this is one of the Memories and More pack cards. This little strip of Pretty Peacock comes from the end of this where I cut it off. So that's where that came from. And I decorated that with the sequins trio. Put a little part of the Memories and More cards in the inside to decorate it. Okay. So these are 3 cards I made previously, and this is what we just made. So now let's move on because we have 2 more cards to make and then 2 more to show you. Okay. So this card is going to be a little bit more involved. I've already gone and did the inside. This is a basic white thick basic white card front, 4.5 by 5.5, scored at 4.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. 5.5 by 8.5. Lord have mercy. Okay, so we're gonna put down these strips. They are 4 1/4 by 3/4. So we're just gonna lay these strips down on our card base here. Kind of candy-wampus. Just all kind of ways. My favorite kind of card, because I don't have to worry about being straight. Because you know I wasn't going to do that anyway. Straight, what is that? Let's see. Get a little more glue down there. Put this one. Just like that. Then we have another piece that I just showed you. See how long this was? So I cut it and I was able to use this for other things, this portion. So we are going to glue this down. So this is about 3/4 of an inch. I'm not sure exactly how long it is. I mean, how wide it is. The length is 6 inches, but we're not going to use all of it. Let's put some glue right there. The crushed curry piece is 7/8, and we're going to cut them both down to, I believe, 4 1/4. So we're going to glue this down flat. Right onto our card, to our card base here, like this. Hopefully we get that straight. We do at least need something on here straight, right? Can't have everything going every which way. Okay, and let's get some scissors. Oh, I put that glue just good enough. You see that? It was just about to spill over. Cut that even. Get out, I think I'm gonna use the ombre adhesive dots. Do I want these? Yes, I do. Because we're gonna use, this is garden green, but this is old olive, but I think it'll still go. So we're gonna use 2 right here and 1 over there. That card is done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple. I love that. Okay, let's get to our next card. I think this one is simple too. This is real simple. This is what Memories and More is really about. The simplicity. You can, no stamping, no cutting. You just take a card. This is a full 4x6 card that comes just like this. Glue it to their card base that they give you. Then in your card pack, you have stickers. So you can add some stickers to decorate if you want. You don't even have to add stickers. Let's put this right here for the O. Hello, beautiful. And then we can add more if we want. Don't have to though. Let's put one here, one right there. See, call that done. Let's get some bling. We're going to use the sequence trio, and I have these berry burst ones down here, but they look really good. You know, let me see. I think I'm gonna use the small ones and just put them right where we put the flowers. That way it won't be any distraction. Just simple as that, right? Isn't that cute? Okay, those are the 2 cards we made. Now let me show you. This card is using 2 Memories and More cards. I die cut a circle from the stitch shaped dies. Put some of those matte decorative dots on there. Added a pretty peacock frame. This is from the stickers. Okay. And the inside just looks like that. Pulling that pretty peacock to the inside of the card. And here's the last card. This circle came from here. I just glued it onto a Memories and More card right here. Left it 3x4. Added a strip from the card base, because some of the card bases, like I told you, I cut them down. That's a strip from there. And this is a strip from another Memories and More card that I had left over. Then I covered those seams with some sticker strips. This is from one of the cards that I've done. I used the bottom part, just had words on it, so I fussy cut the butterfly and popped that up. This is from another card that I cut because it was like strips. I cut them into strips like I did this. It said love, 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 and I cut that. Added some brushed brass butterflies. Isn't that cute? Little banner tail of another card that I had pieces left over. Okay, you guys. So let me show you all the cards we did today. Can you see, are these all in here? Really cute, right? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.